Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys this Rangefinder magnet clip. So I put it around my Bushnell Rangefinder. The company did send us this product to test. Still going to be giving you our honest thoughts about it. It does go around the Rangefinder pretty easily. You do have to kind of work to be able to get it in there. It does pull though, and then you just kind of put that little metal part through. It holds pretty strong, and then it's got another, you can put the little end through this little hole as well to give it some extra security. Here's the magnet. So just attaching the magnet right there onto this piano seat, so you can see the magnet is attaching hard. I do have to actually pull it off to take it off, so should hold steady, should hold strong on a golf cart. Yep, excited to take this thing out on the course with me. Thank you to the company for sending us this product to test. That's what you're gonna get.